Today we talk about how can you create new scripts on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse. So you just go here. You go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on create new script here, just click on it. Then here add script name and here enter your script in this list here. So when you just enter your script here, you just click on save here. So then automatically here it's going to save with you here on your app. So that's all you have to do to create your script. That's all. I wish know you I give it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.